ZIYOUJIGUANG. The heart has dreams. The aurora is free. This is an electric bike. That's that new bike smell. That's exciting. Let me show you this. Allen keys, spanner. Whose job is it to So here it is. It's small, little, single speed. This is cool. It's actually very like well made. It feels, it's aluminium. Well, I said it was aluminium, but it feels heavier than aluminium. But it's solid, you know. The clamp feels good. Take my blunt blade.
I will take my blade.
Open up this thing here. Still sharp. This thing reminds me of card captors. Where do I begin?
Where do I begin?
I guess this flops up, like so. How do I undo that? You know what? Never mind. Just like pulled up on this. I'm too big for this. I'm not gonna be able to pedal on this. My legs are way too long. Actually no, the seat post is very long as well. But yeah, liking the suspension. I'm gonna get a bit closer for you. Come closer. We got pedals. Why are the brakes and everything so far down? Like, who's gonna ride like this? A little dashboard here, dial, button, not sure what that's for. There's your acceleration. Acceleration, horn. There should be like a key. Is it like a key? I heard there was a key. You have to like plug it in, put your key into the ignition. But I can't see where that is at the moment. Maybe they bunged it. I'm gonna adjust these handlebars. Handlebar adjustment. Nice, alright. Decency. Stand, which helps. I wanted to show you this handlebar, how it folds. Pull this out. Boom, shakalaka. Boom, shakalaka. That goes down. Or up. Up, down, girl. Come on. You just pull it. You just pull it out. So it's like that, and then you just pull it out, and the handlebars just come right down. And then back up. Boom. Snap it in place. Secure with this thing here. Done. Hey. Oh, why? Okay. Whoa. What I want to know is, how am I supposed to lock this? I thought this was going to be tiny, like very small. I thought I'd be able to like bring it into the shop and stuff with me to like deliver orders and stuff. That's not going to happen. I have to lock this up to like posts, bicycle racks. That's not going to happen. You take mud guard, you put mud guard onto your back. Okay, so now it's basically on. It's still a bit loose. At the bottom, you need to get this underneath the bike, and then you need to tighten with the Allen key. Which honestly isn't the easiest thing to do. I got it. It's tomorrow afternoon. I'm gonna do some deliveries on this thing. It's alright. It's fast. Oh, it's fast enough. It's like the same as going full speed on my normal bike, and it's really low to the ground and it accelerates really fast. And I'm in the park. I'm gonna head to the bike shop and get myself a lock. Battery's doing alright so far. It keeps like kind of flickering, like when I accelerate it like flickers. So it goes down a bit, it's like no, actually your battery's fine. To be honest, I ain't even charged this thing since I got it. It's doing alright, you know what I mean? It does the job. It's gonna get the job done. That's what my main concern is. Whoa! It's like going around corners with one leg sticking out. It's a little bit sketchy, bruh. Use the brakes. The brakes on this thing are actually pretty good. Very sharp. Magnetic braking apparently. I don't know what that is, but you know, it's magnetic, so. Alright, that's enough mucking about. I think I'm gonna just go to the bike shop and get this lock and then come back. It's raining and I need to put some oil on this because it's just like, one of the things I like about this bike at the moment is that it's cushy. Like there's a good suspension, the wheels are like thick, and yeah, there's this road which is just dead, like just dead. Look how dead that road is. And like usually on my road bike it's just like the worst ever, but on this it's just like bouncy fun. Look at this dead road. Look at all these potholes. Look at this. That's just ridiculous, man. Imagine this on a road bike with like 25C tyres, 25 wide, whatever, 23 wide. I used to ride 23 wide over some of these potholes. And it was just like, but on this bike, it feels bouncy and fun, like I'm riding MTB off-road thing. Like this mount, this whole area just reeks of like mulled wine. It's so festive. Hashtag Christmas German market, hashtag Birmingham, hashtag 2K19.
I just seen that, I thought that's wicked. Hello.
Steve. Right, Steve, I'm Matthew. Yeah, so do Matthew?
Yeah, I really admire it.
I got on eBay.
I'm just looking on Amazon because I looked there first. Can you see Cycle Republic there?
Yeah, I'm about to go in there actually. I need to get a lock.
Oh, right, yeah.
I need to get like a really long lock.
Yeah, you need to get long, real, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna see what they've got because.
Yeah, you want one that goes through your wheel, through your forks, round through the back wheels forks and round that.
Are you on like a cable, like
a long one? Yeah. I
want to get.
I'm old. I used to have a great big long length of chain, welded chain with a big padlock on it. You can put it through everything because you don't want them pinching it because your hand back. These are easy to get off.
I'm gonna get a D-lock like those.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna put it through the frame and the back wheel.
Well, have a look in there. And when you got finish with the paint in your pockets, go and have a look down the road. Which way over there, Poundland. But that, you know, see that folding bike that I'm looking at on here, £1,000. That's a Brompton. Yeah, you can have a look at the price on that.
That's a proper like classic, that isn't it?
You know what I mean? I'm old school. I used to have rally because the tubing was made in England. I don't know where they're made now. You can still get rallies, but I don't know where they're made.
Yeah, it's probably just.
China. I think it's about 3,000 quid that one, 2.5, 3 grand.
Yeah, you get what you pay for. Like this, it's all motor. Like your legs can't really do much on this one because it's so small.
That's what I want.
Yeah, it's like you want.
I want that to do the majority. I want to do as little as possible, man.
That's funny. All right, yeah.
But the other side, downstairs they got them where they've got the big frames like these.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
And it's all inside, all the cables and all the everything's in. It looks
really clean.
It's really clean.
So yeah, you need to get a decent lock for these things.
Oh hell yeah.
Around here, man.
Anywhere? Yeah. Probably safer here because you know.
Oh, there's a lot of people around. Yeah, that's
you go somewhere posh and think you'd be safe and not bother, and
it's gone.
Somebody put it in the back of their Mercedes.
Cleared.
I had a petrol scooter in 1998. and I put it round the back. Well, I stopped on the way from college in West Brom, put it round the back of the car park, in the back of the building, kind of place. It didn't look like it was open. There was only 3 of us in there, a Navy club.
Yeah.
And I went in and some bloke comes in. He said, "Oh, where's your scooter, mate?" I said, "It's outside the car park." He said, "That'll be the one that somebody just put in the back of a van." By the time I got out and got there, they'd gone. How did they know it was there? They must have followed me. As soon as I got inside there, little escort van, apparently, little white van.
Yeah.
Open the back doors, my scooter, gone.
They're watching.
They must have followed me.
Wanted the LS standard. There's a whole lot of locks in here. I mean, that's definitely more than enough space. Look at that. Ridiculous. That's really long. I don't think it can be that long. I might even just go for the standard. That's more expensive than the long one. That's ridiculous. Okay, never mind. I might just go for the long one then. Here we are. We've got the Evolution and the Evolution Standard. It's all paid for. It's a really long one. The annoying thing about the financial district is these cobblestone streets. We just like... Yeah, normally all the riders hang out like around here. Near like KFC, Subway, McDonald's, Dale End, you know, these are our sides, but yeah, no one's here, so.